strong would it be just started together like that rather than...
Once you let it cool, that'll still be flexible. If you say that, you can still see it's still quite flexible because it's still really hot. But once you let it cool, you know, that's structurally strong, you're not going to be able to break that.
At a temperature around 600 degrees.
This is just tack, this building is tack, just to hold it in place. Okay? Just takes about a minute or so to warm up the tip. Right? The very tip, and just drag it backwards. You can put a little bit of pressure on it as well.
That's just using the two
just bringing the two together. Exactly what it says. It's just tacking it together. Okay, and we can do both sides. So preheat, see a bit of heat in it, and then preheat. ABS is very similar to PVC wave welds, so it's quite a nice material to weld. And then you're heating the rod as well, and you're applying downward pressure on the rod. And if you look at the rod, you see a small bead appearing on either side.
Yep.
That's an indication that you've got the correct temperature and you're applying enough pressure. This is
HD as well.
No, this is HDPE. So basically, this is pendulum welding, quite a slow process. Yeah. And what you would do if you're in tricky areas or need to get around corners, things like that.
And joining us this afternoon, we've got Clive Dave, the technical director from Welling Tool Group, who was demonstrating at the show there, you saw a moment ago. Clive, some interesting tools from Interplast this year.
Absolutely.
What were the main things that we were showing?
Well, we showed the Fusion 2, which I think we saw in operation.
Yeah.
But there were many other tools that we weren't operating at that particular time.
Okay.
The one in question is the S2.
Okay.
And there's a lot of differences between the S2 and the actual Fusion 2.
Okay. What are the main things? What does this do that the other one doesn't do?
Well, basically, size-wise, they're pretty much the same, and the weight they're pretty much the same as well.
Okay.
But the main difference is the S2 has got a screen with all the controls.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So you get independent control.
Right.
Over the airflow, which comes out here for the preheating, and also control of the plasticizer.
Okay.
Which heats the rod up, which is fed in through the side of the machine.
Right.
But pretty much everything else is the same. That it's the similar sort of design. So hot off the press.
Yeah.
This tool has just been launched by Leister. Not yet to our customers. This is one of the first that we've received.
Okay. When's it available?
Probably around about 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to have full production.
So
available.
November time.
I would say yes.
Okay.
Yes. But if you're looking at it, it looks pretty much the same as the old machine, the old Hot Wind. The footprint where you're connecting it to any machine installation is exactly the same.
Okay.
Which is really good for use of the old Hot Wind.
Right.
The other main advantage on this one is the airflow. Okay. And you can independently adjust the airflow.
Right.
And now it is now actually double the old Hot Wind.
Oh, okay.
And this is my second machine that I've made, because at the meeting you have to really to show the customer one applications. We also have, let's see here, the handle this. and then you have holes, and you just open these a little bit, and then you can go in, and